We have developed an online confirmation retreat for students. It's the single best online confirmation retreat available for teens. And why did we do this? Because of the circumstances that we have today. Extreme circumstances call for extreme measures. I mean, did you ever think that you would be celebrating Easter not in church? I mean, I bet many of us have not thought that we would ever see a day where we would be out of church, where we wouldn't be able to go to Mass, receive communion, receive the sacrament of confession, and many other things. And our teens are being affected as well. They can't go to religious education. They can't attend a retreat this year, which is a necessary and powerful experience in their faith formation. They're incredibly important. It is my belief that we should not let teens go for the rest of the year, and even maybe for another year, without an encounter with Christ, without a retreat experience. Some retreats are being canceled for the rest of the year. Some are being possibly for some of the next year as well. Whole dioceses have canceled the retreats maybe for the rest of the entire year. That leaves nothing for the teens, and something needed to be done. Something has to be done because we can't leave our kids without some sort of faith formation experience. And this is the solution to that problem. And so we here who think that retreats are extremely important, we've done them for over 20 years, we have created an online confirmation retreat. And a lot of people are advertising retreats online, but it's just a talk, or it's just a couple of small short clips of talks, but that is not a retreat. A retreat is a whole, full, complete experience of faith. And that is what we've created. What we have is an introduction and a game. We have 3 talks, and we have a powerful prayer service. All in all, this is a 3-hour retreat where teens will learn a lot about their faith. They will grow closer to God. They will understand what it means to be confirmed, why they're here on earth, how to live for Christ, and how to live out their faith before and after confirmation. We not only teach them their faith, we challenge them to live it out, and we help them. We know. We've been doing retreats for over 20 years. We know their struggles. We know their questions. We know what makes teens tick. And we are happy to put all of that in this retreat, which is based off the retreats that we do all around the country, usually. And now it's all in an online retreat. Just because we have this pandemic and we're all quarantined and can't go out anywhere doesn't mean that we can't still learn our faith. Doesn't mean that we're not called to still grow in our faith, to have an experience or an encounter with Christ. Now more than ever, teens need that experience. We can't stop learning the faith. We need to keep growing. So please, if you're interested, or if you know a church that is interested in an online confirmation retreat experience, then please let them know about us. Our website is thecatholictruth.org, and I will put it above, and I will link it at the end and in the description section below, thecatholictruth.org. And you will come to our landing page, and we'll give all the information that you would want to know about this retreat to help your teens have a powerful encounter with Christ. Please check out our website for more information, and please pass this on to churches, directors of religious education, confirmation leaders, and more. We need to get the message out there. We don't have to stop learning our faith, and we don't have to stop living our faith. Now more than ever, it is important. Get in contact with me. We'll answer any questions that you have, but we want to help your teens. thecatholictruth.org.